Okay, so let's just start coding this up. We'll do the two-pointer solution, and then I'll introduce you to an even faster solution. So let's see. Let's get to the coding part. Okay, so this is LeetCode. And what did we say? The first thing we're gonna do is we need to sort the list. Okay. So how do I sort the list? Well, first I need to iterate over each item, but also I need to preserve the indices, because eventually what you're trying to return is the indices, not the two numbers, the indices of the two numbers, the indices of the pair. So what I can do, I can maybe like call it nums with, for example, indices, maybe, for example, I guess, nums with indices. What I'm going to do, I'm going to enumerate over that list using the method or the generator in enumerate. I think it's enumerate. So, and then I'm going to iterate over this as for I, comma, number. Okay, so for I, comma, number or num, I want to visit every single number. So basically what this will do, it will visit every single number and fetch the index. So that's what enumerate does. It's called a generator, and it returns something called iterator. You don't have to worry about the details for the interviews, but this is for you. And the syntax, it's going to call next internally, going to call next on the return of the enumerate, which is an iterator. You don't have to worry about these details, but that's one way to iterate over each number with its index. Okay, that's for I, comma, num. Okay, so every time I iterate over the index and the number, what I want to do, I want to preserve them in a list, but I want the number to be first and then the index to be second. So basically, this will create a list of tuples, Python tuples, where each item is a number with its index. Okay. Okay, so that's the first step. Now, what I can do, I can sort this. Okay, so I need to sort it. Now, sort by default, when you have a list of tuples, sort is going to sort the list based on the first number in each tuple. Okay, so this is by default in Python is going to sort that list based on the first number, which is the value of the number, not the index, which that's what I want. Okay, so and then what? And then I'm going to initialize two pointers, one all the way on the left, so it will be the index, and then one all the way on the right. It will be the very last index, which is the len of the array minus 1. Okay, left and right. And then I want to try the far left and the far right. I'm going to start by a while loop, and while left is less than right. Maybe I'll leave some space here. Okay, so as long as the left is less than the right, the left pointer is less than the right pointer, I can keep moving them. Okay, so how do I move them? Well, I will try the summation. I will sum the far left number with the far right number. Okay, so I'll get the far left number. So this is my list of tuples or list of pairs. I want to get the far left number. Okay, so that will be the index of the far left number. And I want to extract the number itself. Okay, it's a tuple. I want only the number. And then I will try the same thing with the far right number. Okay, so I'm going to extract the number, which is index 0 in the tuple. And then I'm going to see the sum. Let's call it current sum. And there are three cases, as we mentioned earlier. Either the summation will be bigger than t, or the target, less than t, or equal. Okay, so let's try if the current sum is equal to target. Well, I mean, that's good. That's like the best case scenario. So what can I do in that case if that happened and I'm lucky? Well, if that happened, then I am done and I need to return the answer. What is the answer? I need to return the indices of the pair that I found. So how can I find the indices? Well, it will be the same thing as that guy, but it will be index 1. The far left number, but the index will be, since it's a tuple, it will be index 1, and then the same thing as that guy, but it will be index 1. So I don't have to retype it every time. Okay, and that's it. I'm done. Okay, so the other scenario will be else if, or elif in Python, what if current sum is actually less than target? Well, as we said earlier, if it says on target, I need to move the pointer to, can you remember? It will be to the right. Okay, so, sorry, to the left. Oh my God. I'm gonna move it to the left. So I'm gonna increase my left pointer by 1. Okay. Else, there's only one more scenario left. Well, if it's bigger than target, then I'm gonna move my pointer to the right. Sorry, move it. Oh my God, I think I got it wrong. Sorry. I'm gonna move my left pointer to the right and here to the left. That's right. The right pointer to the left. Sorry, guys. Oh my God. Okay, so and yeah. So in the problem it says there is always a solution. So it has to be one of these branches. Now, if it happens that the loop ended and I did not find a solution, well, I'll just return an empty list. Okay? So let's try that. I think that looks correct. Let's try it on a sample test. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I think I forgot. I think I forgot in here. Yeah, sorry. Oh boy, that's embarrassing. Lin num. Oh, it's here. Lin nums. Alright.